Hello, and welcome to Soul Food Cooking. Today, I'll be making spicy fried catfish. You will need 1 pound of catfish, 1/4 cup of all-purpose flour, 1 cup of cornmeal, 2 eggs, 2 tablespoons of hot sauce, 2 teaspoons of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of paprika, 1 teaspoon of onion powder, 1 tablespoon of cayenne pepper, 2 teaspoons of black pepper, 2 teaspoons of salt, and canola oil for frying. In a dish, combine your cornmeal and flour. Add your garlic powder, onion powder, cayenne pepper, and paprika. Add your salt and pepper, then whisk until well combined. In a separate dish, add your eggs and hot sauce, then whisk until well combined. Dredge your fish in the egg mixture, then coat with the cornmeal mixture, then place them on a wire rack. Preheat your oil to 325 degrees, then fry your fish for 7 minutes. After 7 minutes, remove your fish from the oil, then place them on paper towels, then they are ready to serve. This spicy catfish is sure to be a hit with your family. I really hope you give this recipe a try. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Soul Food Cooking.